In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your balance on Wise. To get started, sign in to your Wise account. Make sure you're using the correct login page or app, and once you're in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is where Wise gives you an overview of your account activity and balances, so it's the best place to begin. From the home page, look for the Total Balance section. This area is usually easy to spot near the top of the screen, and it gives you a quick summary of the money you currently have across your Wise account. If you use multiple currencies, this section is especially helpful because it provides a broad view before you look into the details. Next, view your total account balance displayed at the top of the dashboard. This is the overall amount available in your account, combining the balances you hold. It's a fast way to confirm how much you have without needing to open each currency one by one. After that, review the balances shown in your main account card. Here, you'll typically see the individual currency balances you hold in your account. This makes it easier to understand how your funds are distributed, especially if you send, receive, or store money in more than one currency. If you want more information about a specific balance, click on the currency you want to check. Opening that balance will take you to a more detailed view, where you can focus on just that one currency. Once you're there, review the available balance for that currency. This tells you how much money is currently available in that balance and gives you a clearer picture than the main dashboard summary. It's useful if you're preparing to make a transfer, spend with a card, or simply confirm the amount you have in that currency. Then scroll down to view recent transactions related to that balance. This section helps you track recent activity, such as incoming payments, transfers, or other account movements. Checking this area can also help you verify why your balance looks the way it does. When you're finished, return to the home page to view balances for other currencies. Going back to the dashboard lets you quickly switch between balances without losing your place. Repeat the same process for any additional currency balances you want to check. This is the simplest way to review each balance individually, while also keeping your total account picture in mind. And that's it. You now know how to check your balance on Wise. Thanks for watching.